Imagine it's a hot summer day. You switch on the AC, and within minutes, the room becomes cool and comfortable. But have you ever wondered how an air conditioner actually works? An air conditioner does not create cold air. Instead, it removes heat from your room and throws that heat outside. The system mainly works using four important parts: the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. First, a special chemical called refrigerant circulates inside the AC. The compressor, located in the outdoor unit, compresses this refrigerant gas. When gas is compressed, its temperature rises, so the refrigerant becomes extremely hot. This hot gas then moves to the condenser coil outside the building. A fan blows air over the coil, releasing the heat into the environment. As the heat escapes, the refrigerant cools down and turns into liquid. Next, the liquid refrigerant passes through a tiny expansion valve. Suddenly, the pressure drops, making the refrigerant extremely cold. This cold refrigerant enters the indoor evaporator coil. The indoor fan blows warm room air over the cold coil. The refrigerant absorbs heat from the air, and the cooled air is sent back into the room. Meanwhile, the refrigerant becomes gas again and returns to the compressor. This cycle repeats continuously. Air conditioners also remove humidity. When warm air touches the cold evaporator coil, water vapor condenses into droplets, which is why water drips from AC units. But while ACs make our lives comfortable, they also affect the environment in several ways. First, air conditioners consume huge amounts of electricity. In many countries, electricity is produced by burning coal, oil, or gas. This releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, which increase global warming. Second, ACs use refrigerant gases. Older refrigerants damaged Earth's ozone layer, while some modern refrigerants still contribute heavily to climate change if they leak into the atmosphere. Third, outdoor AC units release heat outside. In crowded cities with millions of ACs running, streets become hotter. This is called the urban heat island effect. So, how can we use ACs responsibly? Experts recommend keeping the temperature between 24 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. Lower temperatures consume much more electricity. Using inverter ACs can also save energy because they adjust cooling automatically. Cleaning filters regularly, keeping doors and windows closed, and using ceiling fans together with ACs improve efficiency. Choosing eco-friendly refrigerants and using solar energy can further reduce environmental damage. Air conditioners are one of humanity's greatest inventions for comfort, but using them wisely is important. The future challenge is simple: keeping people cool without heating the planet. It's our duty to keep our environment safe. Thanks for watching.